Today I'm going to show you how to repair a spring-assisted knife quick and easy. You can see here this is JB Weld. I bought this back in the early 90s. It cost $3.85. Now with hyperinflation it's probably about twice as much. But still, to repair an expensive spring-assisted knife, it's worth the investment, and this stuff's really easy to use. All you have to do is mix equal parts from each tube, and then you just fill the holes. Here you can see. What happened with this knife is the backs of a couple of screws fell out, and this JB Weld sets up like a synthetic weld joint. It's very strong. I had to do a couple applications of it because as it sets it shrinks, and so I needed to apply more to fill the holes. And then you let it dry for about 24 hours, let it set good, and then it's ready to go. So it's really that simple. And if you wanted to, you could paint these black or whatever color to match the other screws. But I rather like the rough look, so I may not paint these. So it's as simple as that. And then there you go. And it works fine. And a little trivia, this is the exact knife that John Galt wields against zombies in my zombie apocalypse story, Midnight Madness. So there you go. That easy to repair a spring-assisted knife.